top to go back in. I shouldn't be cutting that small. Just seems to be there.
You can get around it anyways.
Yeah.
apart.
Down today, I think.
Oh, it did actually happen?
Yeah.
Oh, man, I feel so bad for Will now.
Yeah, I know. I looked this morning and I saw it and I was like,
His fishing trip solely depended on the government.
I don't see anything because. Okay, how about that? I don't see anything because of the mud.
Easy to know.
Yeah. I mean, just toss them.
So,
I'll need to take a picture of all of mine. Take a picture of a few just to put it together. So it's unclear to me. They haven't published what they're doing with this is different. Oh, whoop. Well, crap.
oh, I'll get him later.
Yeah. Oh, there he is, right? Come on.
Get him?
No, it,
Here he is.
Yeah, there you go, Bill. If you want it.
well, they're all healthy.
yeah, that. I mean, they're.
I've been looking at maybe getting a spare round. Depending on.
Holy moly, that's a big one.
I might have to hit you up one day if I decide to get the spare one.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
More parasite resistant than anything else.
Yeah, I don't remember how we.
Right there.
I got it. I don't remember how we ended up with her.
I thought about trying it. You know, if I don't like them, I thought about getting rid of them after a year if they're just wild sticks. So I might be able to try if I can find some of those. How do y'all separate those from y'all?
We you know, during the when they're not in with the ewes, we just they're together in a. We either put them out in a separate pasture, or we have got our old garden. That
Oh, there it is. Holy moly, the goodness. Why not? Oh, he's like down in there. He's a good sized one, too.
I haven't seen them float down yet.
The Mac Daddy of them all.
He's like, I mean, this goes up. Look at this.
oh, there's.
Hey, coming out.
I don't think that was
That's
the one.
probably-
Felt like that one
He's
was
gonna
big.
swim away.
This thing goes like crazy.
That's got some color on it.
Oh, there's another one.
Yeah, some of them wilder ones get really
There's
nice
one
color.
coming down.
They're some of the prettiest rainbows I've ever seen.
Yeah, I know.
I really like the ones in
I like how they got the spots too. The wild ones, you see the spots in the side.
yeah, the par marks.
Yep.
I like the ones in Laurel Fork. They're really pretty.
I think these just got a good shape to them. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
They're not skinny. They're, yeah.
You're pushing it up.
Yeah.
I was thinking the same thing. Yep. See him yet. Oh. Got him.
Oh, sorry. Oh, those ones. Oh, okay. I thought it was attached. no
That's a
big.
heater right there.
Yep.
That is a beautiful one.
Yep, that'll go in my bag.
That's going in
He 100% jumped that barrier. He probably laid the egg for others.
Oh yeah, that's a pretty one right there. That's a nice one.
Got another one.
Hmm.
You can add this as like a little fry appetizer.
That's her baby, I think.
Well, her baby's going for a trip.
He said it is not to the plate.
In the office the other day. Yeah.
Did you get promoted?
No.
Did they ever figure out who got the other position?
Yeah, the chief.
Yeah.
Yeah, you hadn't had Baker? I don't know. I don't know. I thought you had. I guess you weren't with us, but he's chief. Yeah, Baker. He's a nice guy. He ain't gonna be there much. He lives in Edgefield.
Oh, yeah.
Who?
Is he taking a lateral move or is he taking a...
Yeah, you look at this, you're like, wow, it's done.
Well, it had.
Could be a barrier, maybe.
Yeah, is this a fish barrier?
This is a long stretch with not really much engine here. For that, it's the game thing.
Well, maybe that is a barrier.
Especially with all that slow water going under the ground.
As we about to shock up a 10-inch one.
Up here might be something.
Got him.
Yep. Say crawfish or small fish?
Well, both.
You get a fish?
Yeah.
Pretty shallow down there.
Well, this is deep, but I don't know. Well,
You're gonna try. Here, let me know it's this way.
up there's over there.
It's on right there.
There.
There might be more.
That's a good one.